At Cogo, we empower businesses to take climate action. SMEs represent over 90% of businesses worldwide and are vital players in the fight against climate change. We're here to help businesses take the first step. Cogo Carbon Manager helps companies calculate their carbon footprint, discover ways to reduce their environmental impact, and report on their commitments and progress. Here's how it works. Connect your accounting software to calculate the carbon emissions based on your spending. Then, add activity data such as your energy and fuel usage to improve accuracy. Assess where your carbon hotspots are and use Cogo resources to help you understand and reduce emissions. Use our tailored action guides to help you make changes that are good for the planet and your profits. Share your footprint, targets and actions with key stakeholders using our downloadable reports. Cogo Carbon Manager is more than a carbon calculator. Our product helps SMEs reduce their carbon footprint with personalised action plans and engaging features. Our calculations are aligned with GHG Protocol, so SMEs can report and share progress with stakeholders. We've conducted research to understand the challenges that SMEs face and built a product that fulfills their unique needs. Take climate action and drive business growth. Measuring emissions helps businesses identify where they can save energy and costs. Big businesses are demanding suppliers to report their carbon emissions, take action, or risk losing business. Tap into the growing demand of customers that are prioritizing sustainability over price. 65% say they are more likely to work for a sustainable business. Don't lose out on top talent. Start your carbon reduction journey today.